Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is on a restore for Charlie. It's restore number 111, 1956, 10 horsepower QD-17. So Charlie is a pigeon customer of mine. Buys a lot of pigeons from me, so I told him I'd do him a 950 restore, which is supposed to be no paint and decals, but I couldn't stand it. I decided to add the paint and decals to it, so I tried something new. I didn't completely take apart the power head, the lower cowling, the tiller handle, the lower unit, stern bracket. I didn't. I got in there with a pressure washer and I super cleaned everything and got in there with a soft brush and really cleaned everything really good, and I painted it all together. And I think it came out pretty darn good. I'm gonna finish it off by taking these nuts off and wire brush them down. Probably take the tilt bolt nut off. Probably take this bolt off and wire brush it down to the aluminum, make it shine. Otherwise, I got her all ready. All the remaining bolts and nuts cleaned. Painted all the other parts, the handle, all the brackets, flap sanded down, the shift control, rebuilt the carburetor, rebuilt the magneto, fuel pump conversion, new rope and for the rewind starter. Got the prop painted and got the hood sanded down and painted up. Looks pretty darn good. So I'm gonna spend the next day this afternoon putting her all together. I'll make a video of it when I finish. All right, enjoyed the video. Remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!